This is a wax pillow block, all kind of noise for your ears. So this coming in this box, coming with 15. So inside coming like that, pretty. So you open and how look inside is like that. So coming with 50 silicone. So you block noise when you go to sleep, when you are swimming, and this help you with sleep with is a lot of noise around. So look at this, good product, coming with 15 like that. So you put here and say back. So this is a wonderful product if you want to quiet, relax. This is the product for you.